Hey y'all, it's Steve, Hobo with Wood, and I want to take a minute to tell you about the Rollingdog 9-inch paint roller set. This is an impressive paint system, paint tools, quality stuff, and I've been having to do a little remodeling around the house, and these tools were spot on for me. Let's take a look at what you get when the kit arrives. Smile, you gonna be on YouTube. Good. You can sit them on the front porch there and I'll sign for you. So the packages arrived today, and I've got two packages that came in from Amazon, and we're going to open these up and see what we have to play with. All right, in the first box we've got our tray and roller, and this is the Rollingdog paint roller set with a 9-inch paint roller with extension pole, wall paint kit, extendable paint brush, and with tray kit. All right, let's see what all's in here. All right, that's all neatly packed, and we'll leave it like that. All right, so well. Smooth Pro 10-piece paint kit. Sorry about that. Shaky cam. 2-piece extension pole to give you just the right amount of reach. 1-piece threaded adapter. 1-piece Pro Angle 2.5-inch top cut brush. Great with extension pole for sealing cut-ins. Oh wow, you can put the extension pole on the brush. That's cool. 1-piece 9-inch wire cage paint roller frame. 2-piece lint-free Smooth Pro 9-inch blended fabric covers. Two rollers. Two rollers? Yeah, 2 rollers. All right. 1 9-inch 2-in-1 paint tray. 1-piece paint stir bar, 1-piece metal can opener. Okay, and that's I like this with the brush. It's a multi-angle brush, 6 locking positions, and you can put it on the extension pole. That's pretty cool. So let's get this opened up and take a look at the interior pieces. Okay, so our extension pole. And okay, that's actually, I like this because it's an interlocking pole instead of a threaded pole. Let's try to do this one-handed. It's going to go the other way. A lot of your poles, you've got the threaded rod on it like so, and next thing you know, you're using it, and then you've twisted stuff around, and you end up taking your off there. It unscrews itself at a most inconvenient time. But these are interlocking, no threading. And one-handed even, just snap. Oh no, that's nice. Rollingdog extension pole snaps together, no threads. You could use just one of them or both of them. And one-handed separation maybe. No, gotta have both hands, so I'm gonna put that there. That's actually a good thing. It's a little bit more difficult to get apart. Can't do it with one hand. Oh, wait a minute. I'm doing it the wrong way, dummy. I was trying to push in here, but there's tabs. Push it. Oh, man, that is nice. But I can do it one-handed. Well, squeeze it and then tug it and pull it. Well, trying to hold the camera and do this. So separating them was a little bit more challenging. Couldn't do it one-handed. Had to put the camera down. But that's some heavy duty stuff. I like that. And then our paint roller. Now the paint roller, it does have the threaded end. And that's what your adapter here would go for. Thread into your paint roller, your handle. And then that would snap into your extension pole. Because you got the same holes here that you've got on the extension. And I bet that's the way the brush works. Yep, the brush works the same way. So you got threaded in there. You could put that adapter on and use the extension poles with. That's cool. I like this brush. 6 positions that lock in place. And it's a good trim brush because it's got your angled tip on it. And with being able to, and it's good for water basin, oil base, all for use with all paints. 2.5 inches. And that should release and then rotate. There we go. And locks in place. That's a long brush. That's a good long reach in itself. But whenever you're in tight places, you can push and fold the handle out of the way. And now you got a little short brush. I like that. I like that a lot. And then the 9-inch roller frame, and with that handle in there, extension, that's a good long handle. And the other roller, and then the paint stirrer, and the paint lid opener. Now, all of that said and done, this tray is not like some of the flimsy things you'll see at some of the big box stores. This is a hefty tray. I feel like I can pick this up when it's loaded with paint and it not want to collapse or double over or spill the paint. That's a sturdy pan. Very heavy duty. Really impressed so far. So let me tell you how I came to know about Rollingdog. As I mentioned, I've been having to do some remodeling in the house. And budget is everything. And I was contacted out of the clear blue, by the grace of God, by Rollingdog wanting me to feature their products on my channel. And I get these requests, 3 and 4 a day. And I delete 90% of them. But here I am remodeling the house, and I'm needing these tools. So it was a godsend, literally. And so I was like, yeah, I'll do this. Because I was planning on doing all this drywall, and they sent me all the finishing blades, the corner sanding tools, all kinds of stuff, all kinds of tools to do the drywall work with. And I was going to feature all those tools and how they worked and how well they worked. Then budget just got to be too much, and I could not afford to do the drywall. And I actually lost or inadvertently deleted the contact for Rollingdog, and I felt horrible that they'd sent me these tools for drywall work and I wasn't going to use them. And I didn't have their contact information again. Well, they reached out again and asked me how things were going, and I explained to them. I said, I'm sorry, but I ended up having to go a different route. I can't afford to do the drywall. I'm having to put up cheap paneling and paint it, and I offered to pay for the tools that they sent me. And they said, no, you don't need to do that. But if you're going to be painting, let us send you the paint tools, and you can do the painting videos. I'm like, well, you got paint tools? And they're like, yeah, we got some really good stuff. And I'm like, okay, well, I said, don't send me your tools. You've already sent me tools that I have not been able to capitalize on and use and feature them like I said I was going to. So I said, let me just look and see what I can find. So I did. And I went over to Amazon and found this. This is the Rollingdog paint roller set. 9-inch paint roller with extension pole, wall paint kit, extendable paintbrush tray, and get that out of the way. $23.49 for everything you just seen in that video. $23.49. And if you're Prime, you know, it's just going to be delivered, next day or. But look here, 4.5 stars, 273 ratings, and I can tell you firsthand, this is quality stuff. This is really nice tools. As you can see, I've been painting. I've already been working, and that's hence the cap, because I'm always putting my head into the wall, so now I'm not getting paint on my head anymore. Plus, it's cold in here. But these tools are top notch. They really are good stuff, and that's an incredibly good price. But I bought these tools. I went on Amazon and bought them. They did not send these to me. This is not a paid endorsement. They're not asking me. They did send me the tools for the drywall work, but it weighed on me that I wasn't doing the drywall, so I just went to Amazon and bought these. Now, not only did I buy these, there's going to be another video that's going to show you this. In fact, let's go here to my account. See, your orders. So here, I bought this one, $23.49 on February 21st, and I also bought this one. Now, this one was a little more money, but I'm telling you what, this is an impressive set, and I'm going to show you a video just like I did for this 9-inch roller set for the Molasses. And you'll have to stay tuned or watch for that video, because I'm not going to show you that here. But the Molasses is an impressive paint system. It's worth every penny. So I want to thank all the folks at Rollingdog who have worked with me and tried to work with me. But as I said, this is not a paid endorsement. You just seen my Amazon orders. I ordered this and bought it and paid for it. I am putting my link down here for my Amazon link. So if you go here to hobowithwood.com paint kit, you'll have a link to this paint kit, and I will get a kickback from Amazon if you go and buy this. But also, you want to watch for the video coming out that's going to be the Molasses. It's also Rollingdog products, and they are top-notch, first-hand quality, or first quality stuff. So stay tuned, or if you want to see this, and I will show you some. I'm not going to bother showing you the painting. If you're looking to buy these tools, you already know how to paint. Now you're just looking for the best quality products to do it with, and these really have been impressive stuff. So Rollingdog from me is 5 stars. Here it is, hobowithwood.com/paint kit, and that'll get you this one that we just seen in the video, and stay tuned for the Molasses. Really impressive. I'm Steve, Hobo with Wood, and thanks for watching.